Hello, in the kitchen. For various reasons, I need a few good distractions today, and I decided what better thing to do than to bake some biscuits. Now, I'll show you what I'm doing. This is the mixture: butter, flour, sugar, cocoa, vanilla, and cornflakes. What I have here are pieces of caramel. And what I have here is the starting of a tray of biscuits. Inside these balls of dough is a piece of caramel. I just wonder what that's going to taste like. So I'll just go and finish making the biscuits. Looking good so far. There's 15. So now I'm going to flatten them with my fork. Right, here they are. Now they're quite thickish, but they should be a bit chewy once they're baked. In the oven for about a quarter of an hour at 180. Well, I've just taken out the oven. I saw them bubbling. So maybe next time I need to make the piece a bit smaller, and this one, he escaped. But I can see that it still looks like bubbling mud. I wonder what they'll be like. So they're on the rack now, and I'll just let them cool a bit, because these biscuits have been known to break up quite easily. They just need to set, get the chill into them a wee bit. Right, I've coated them with a wee bit of frosting, just a very simple frosting, and then just before they dry, dunk them in some coconut. Now I normally say it's all about the crunch, but now it's all about the caramel filling. So I don't care if I spill any crumbs anywhere. Here it goes. Oh, yummy. I can just see it. Just there. That's nice. It's still not perfect, but it's nice. That's worth repeating. Happy days. Oh no, wait! I'm still in the kitchen. I haven't gone anywhere. And that's just scrap paper with a recipe on it. And here's my dirty bench. Yes. So what else have I made? You'll just have to wait and see.